Welcome back to the channel and wishing you all great health and safe travels. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to the very end as we break down today's most intense, breathtaking traffic moments. Speeding recklessly on rain-slicked roads is an open invitation to disaster. Losing control and smashing violently into the center median barrier instantly destroyed the vehicle's front end, serving as a brutal reminder that physics always wins over reckless driving. High-speed weaving and erratic overtaking on the highway leave zero margin for error. A failed passing maneuver quickly turned into complete loss of control, sending the SUV slamming violently into a roadside pole and totaling the vehicle in seconds. While traffic was flowing smoothly, the pickup driver abruptly floored the gas to pass, only to lose control at high speed and swerve right into the sedan's path, triggering a violent crash off the roadway. Impatience behind the wheel never saves time. It only turns a safe journey into instant catastrophe. During heavy traffic congestion, the black car impulsively cut into the emergency lane to sneak ahead, only to be violently rear-ended and dragged by a speeding truck from behind. Abusing the shoulder and careless lane changing, combined with the truck's reckless speed, serves as a brutal lesson on highway survival. Talk about an insane close call for those pedestrians. Total lack of intersection awareness turned this into an instant rollover. But seeing everyday Good Samaritans immediately sprint in to pull the driver out proves humanity still wins on the road. Classic recipe for a brutal pileup. Making a blind, creeping left turn without checking your mirrors is bad enough. But flying full throttle into a busy intersection gives oncoming traffic zero room to react. Slow down at the box, folks. It's pure common sense. Zero visibility and pure ice turn the highway into an absolute nightmare scenario. By the time this massive whiteout pileup emerged from the storm, locked-up brakes were completely useless on the slick pavement. When winter conditions turn this brutal, dropping your speed to a crawl is your only lifeline. Talk about elite defensive driving. When that out-of-control sedan T-boned the SUV out of nowhere, panic could have easily caused a rollover. Staying calm, gripping the wheel, and riding out the slide kept every passenger safe. Textbook reaction under extreme pressure. Running a red light at full clip is pure reckless driving at its worst. Totaling both front ends over a few safe seconds proves that road safety at any busy junction isn't just about traffic laws. It's about basic human accountability behind the wheel. A brief moment of distraction or glare from oncoming high beams can make center dividers invisible at night. Narrowly escaping a rollover here is a crucial takeaway. Always maintain razor-sharp focus and scan roadside infrastructure closely in the dark. When a fishtailing car slides across your lane in a split second, keeping a safe following distance is your only line of defense. The dashcam driver had zero room to brake. If you were behind the wheel here, how would you have handled this sudden slide?
Oh my God.
green light grants the right of way, but not absolute protection. Blasting through without slowing down left the dashcam car defenseless against a red light runner that T-boned it hard. Lesson learned: always cover your brake and scan intersections, no matter the signal. When sudden brake failure struck this heavy semi, the driver kept his cool and guided the rig straight into the runaway truck ramp to stop safely. A solid reminder to always inspect brakes thoroughly before hitting the road, because pre-trip checks save lives. The dashcam driver turned right without checking mirrors, cutting off a speeding white SUV blasting through the junction and triggering a violent sideswipe. Crucial lesson: always check your blind spots before turning and never speed through an intersection.
Why you stop?
You better stop!
A red car merged blindly into traffic, forcing the blue car to swerve left and get sideswiped by the dashcam vehicle right behind it. Worst of all, the red car just drove off. Yield properly when merging and never trigger a crash and run. A sudden rear-end tap triggered a chain reaction, spinning this car out of control right across the dashcam's hood before wiping out two vehicles in the fast lane. At highway speeds, the margin for error is razor thin. Keeping a generous following distance and scanning far ahead is your only real safety net against unexpected multi-car pileups. An oncoming SUV completely lost control, crossed the center line, and triggered a brutal head-on collision right in front of the dashcam. When sudden crossover impacts give you literally zero time to react, what defensive driving move could even save you here?
Doing everything right doesn't guarantee you're safe. The dashcam driver drove straight on green, only to get slammed by a black sedan blowing the red light from the right. A green signal means go, but always clear both ways before you hit the gas.
A runaway semi barreled into traffic at a roundabout, completely crushing a sedan, yet the driver miraculously walked away alive. Always give heavy rigs a wide berth and buckle up every single ride, because modern cabin safety and seatbelts truly save lives in catastrophic moments. Both drivers flew into the intersection at full speed and blew the red light, making a violent crash unavoidable. The major takeaway here is simple. Speeding through a junction without checking traffic is a gamble you'll always lose. Always slow down and obey the signals.
Every close call on the road carries a powerful lesson,
But some moments stick with you forever. Which situation left you holding your breath the most, or made you furious at the driver's recklessness? Drop your thoughts below. We'd love to hear your perspective and discuss it together. If you found this breakdown insightful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to support the channel. Your encouragement keeps us digging deeper into these real-world driving stories.